What's up, guys? We're gonna play doors. What's my new avatar? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. And I have, for some reason, I have a knife in my eye. No, wait. I'm gonna join it. For someone. Oh no! I wanna be in there. Wait, yes! I'm not getting out here alone. Chicken. That's why I'm recording a video right now. Oh, how do I get this off my screen? What I press? Hey, you're my... Wait, did I actually hack someone? I just did this on, I just changed my mom's avatar. Like, there's like, I had the exact one, and like, it just looks exactly like that. It has like even the hat and the shirt and the pants. Key. We come too far to give up who we are. I wanna hide under here. Why does it feel like we're running from somebody? What is this wrong? What is? Oh my god! So I think I can look at it. Is he gone? Ah! What's that? Is it like... Simple. Nope. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Why is it dark in here? What is that? Ah, we're stuck. I think we need like to find a light switch or something. I can't see anything. Doors. Yay! Wait, is that? I just saw eyes. Wait, eyes? What is that? Wait, what is his name? Window? Oh, I can jump. Oh, it's copper. I shall be... Alright. Pause the video. I can't. I'm recording one. Like, I'm making a video. No, you can't do that. No, you can't. I don't have CapCut. I deleted it like a year ago.
Come on.
I deleted CapCut like a year ago.
It's okay, you can re-download it.
I don't want CapCut.
How much longer are you going to be recording then?
Like 10 minutes.
Okay, you have to do it in 10 minutes.
Okay, get in here. Hello? I need service. Ooh, key. Key. I don't think this is a real key. Let me see. Yep, it's a real key. Okay, I'm getting kind of scared. Why can they run? There's like no sprint. There's only that. Why is my hand red? No, it's because of the shirt. Yeah. Seeing our man don't scrunch. Which door can I go in? There's no door that I can open. So wait, those doors are blocked. There's like do I have like do something? I want to use this chip. Is that ambush? Please. Let me in. I'll burn the door. I'll burn the door down if you don't let me in. Oh, it just ran out of fuel. And what? It just ran out of fuel. It just disappeared. Instead of ran out of fuel. Can I like buy something? Like a grenade or gun? RPG? What do I do? All there is like a green glowing door. And that's why I can open it, but it's not letting me open. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. How can I take this thing down? I don't want like a hammer or something. Crowbar? There has to be a crowbar because that's the only thing that can keep that around. So. Who is that? Why isn't it opening? What happens if I just reset? Oh, I can die. Oh, my hand's gone. Okay, Ah, it's so annoying. Why can't I open any doors? Why is it? I just want to like something in here. Oh, I think I just checked that. Oh, I know I can't this. Nothing. Huh? Hello. Hello. Where did it go? Was that me? Was that something or was that me? I was like, I just want something to happen. What do I do? This is oh yeah, it is. Nothing. Okay, continue. Let's continue. Wait. There's nobody in the game? Like, with my friends? I need help, please. I wish there was like a lag so you can tell me what to do. Well, I'm not open to do live. And I already have a YouTube channel. I want to break through. Don't even try to move a pen. Okay. What? I didn't even notice that. Ambush? This was an ambush? You gotta be kidding me. I didn't even see this. Wait. I feel like I'm running from something. I can't run. Well, now I'm stuck. Is there like another way I can go? I was scared that was an ambush. Ambush! That definitely was something. Oh, I opened it. I can keep it. I wonder what I used. For that long and then much effort. I'm scared. I have fishes and money. And I have a phone and I now have regular. I have cash. Oh my god. Oh, you scared me. Oh, it needs a key. Hello? Oh, key. I got a key. Got a beautiful delicious key. Got a beautiful key. Got a beautiful key. No. Anything? light flicker. I thought that was. I thought that was a lightning. Ugh. Well, I still have some time left, right? Is that me? Oh, look, I have the same method as me, except he's SpongeBob. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'll be curator. Curator. I'll be curator. Yeah, curator? I'm saying curator. Curator. The man. Play. No, wait. Nope. What about James? James Charles. Get in my James. Oh my. Well, what do you look like? What just happened? James Charles, I'll be. What? I think this is the one I've been looking for. Oh. At least I have my full outfit. Make sure touch. Those are checkpoints? It's not even Halloween, it's New Year's. Well, not really New Year's. Well, it's a new year. Oh my god. Oh. Please tell me they can't climb walls. I can just cheat. Oh no! Why are they so fast? Like, can I jump on their heads? Yeah. What are they looking at? Oh my god! I can tell them which way to go. Oh my god! What is happening? Are they like forming like a Super Charles? Like a Choo-Choo Charles? Ah! Noob? I'm gonna show you what a noob looks like. Wait, did I even save this? Yeah, I did. Is it me you're looking for? Is it me you're looking for? Body, head and body. Torso. Nope. See what? Hey, look. I'm gonna turn myself into a noob. I'm not. So my head is a noob. And advanced. Torso. What? There. And go to torso. Boing. Bye-bye. My noob needs some pants. No! And that all needs to be yellow. Jesus Christ! Why is it so hard? Don't you tell. Don't. Oh! Okay, it needs to be yellow. Why did it change? And the torso needs to be blue. No! No, please. There we go. Torso, boing, and boing, and go to left leg, boing, and go to right leg, left leg, boing, and there's your noob.